Welcome back, it's me again, and today we're going to be doing a nighttime routine where I take off my makeup and I feel better about myself. So I'm just going to take off my eyeshadow. I just filmed this eye makeup look. So it should be off on my channel tomorrow. And I might do the same. For skincare, everything, I'm going to be doing a skincare tutorial. I also have another skincare tutorial up on my channel too, but this is my nighttime routine and skincare. I'm just going to show you how I take my makeup off. I do baby wipes. They're easier. I'm going to do a mask. I'm coming, Papa. I'm using the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream. It's a nighttime cream. And I'm going to use the eye cream.
I'll have to get you to get me that medicine. Probiotic stuff.
This is just going to make you look firmer, your skin look firmer and feel firmer and better for makeup application in the morning time because it's going to hydrate your under eyes and everything else. I love this tool so much. Where did I get this? It was in I think it was in my skincare gift set. I love it. It's so cooling and it just brings your skin back to life. And it helps with the blood and it just helps. Helps all over. I have texture and I have some breakouts right now, so I'm trying to get rid of this. Yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching, and